Hey everyone, and welcome to the show. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. It's like the Wild West of money, but instead of cowboys and saloons, we have digital coins and blockchain technology. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In the simplest terms, it's digital money. Think of it like virtual tokens you can use to buy and sell things online. But here's the cool part. It's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it relies on something called blockchain, which is like a super secure digital ledger. Imagine a giant public spreadsheet that records every single cryptocurrency transaction. This makes it nearly impossible to cheat the system. Cryptocurrency can be a little confusing at first, but stick with me. We're going to break it down together and explore its exciting possibilities. And yes, there are some risks too. So buckle up, because we're about to demystify the world of cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about why people are so excited about cryptocurrency. First off, it's all about speed. Imagine sending money across the world in minutes instead of days. That's the power of cryptocurrency. Second, remember those pesky transaction fees banks charge us? Well, cryptocurrency transactions often have much lower fees, which means more money stays in your pocket. And who doesn't love that? Third, cryptocurrency is global. It doesn't matter if you're in New York City or a remote village in Africa. As long as you have an internet connection, you can use cryptocurrency. It's like having a universal currency. These benefits have made cryptocurrency incredibly popular, especially among people who are tech-savvy and want more control over their money. But before you run out and invest your life savings, let's take a look at the other side of the coin in our next section. Okay, folks, it's time for a little reality check. While cryptocurrency has amazing potential, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the biggest concerns is volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can go up and down like a roller coaster. While blockchain technology is secure, there's always the risk of hacking or scams. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your homework, invest wisely, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 4. Real-world applications. Cryptocurrency in action. How is cryptocurrency actually being used? Beyond buying and selling, it's used in many ways. Some companies accept it for goods and services. Imagine buying coffee or shoes with Bitcoin. It's used for cross-border remittances, making it easier and cheaper. Charities receive donations more efficiently. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. The future of finance? Crypto's potential impact. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? That's the million-dollar question, or should I say, the million Bitcoin question. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. Some experts believe that cryptocurrency is the future of finance. They argue that it has the potential to create a more democratic and accessible financial system for everyone. Imagine a world where you don't need a bank account to send or receive money. Others are more cautious, pointing to the volatility and regulatory hurdles that still need to be addressed. Only time will tell what the future holds, but one thing is for sure. Cryptocurrency is a disruptive force that has the potential to reshape the world as we know it. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. The world of cryptocurrency is just getting started, and who knows what amazing innovations the future holds. Section 6. A balanced perspective. Weighing the pros and cons. Well, there you have it, folks. We've explored the exciting world of cryptocurrency, faster transactions, lower fees, and global reach, but also risks like volatility and security concerns. Cryptocurrency is still evolving. It could revolutionize money, but approach with caution. Do your research, invest wisely, and have fun. Cryptocurrency is here to stay.